Students, let's try to understand the power of accommodation of eyes. Right, student? So, what the questions they are asking, what is meant by power of accommodation of eyes? Like that they are asking. The ability of eyes lens to adjust its focal length so as to clearly focus rays coming from the distance as well as near object on the retina is called the power of accommodation of the eyes. You can try to understand once more, student. The abilities of the eyes lens to adjust its focal length so as to clearly focus rays coming from distance as well as near object on retina is called power of accommodation of the eyes. Now try to understand the second paragraph, student. They are saying when the ciliary muscle are relaxed, the eye lens becomes thin, the focal length increases, and the distance object are clearly visible to the eyes. To see the nearby object clearly, the ciliary muscle contract, making the eye lens thicker. Thus, the focal length of the eye lens decreases and the nearby object become visible to the eyes. Hence, the human eye's lens is able to adjust its focal length to view both distance and nearby object on the retina. This ability is called the power of accommodation of eyes. Okay. Now, see, student, what is meant by the power of accommodation of eyes. The power of accommodation is the ability of the eye to focus on distance as well as nearby object by changing the focal length of the lens. This focal length of eye is changed with the help of the ciliary muscles. Power of the accommodation. What is the power of accommodation of eyes? The ability of the eye lens to change its focal length is called the power of accommodation. This focal length of the eye is changed with the help of ciliary muscle as explained below. When eyes are looking at the distance of it, ciliary muscles are relaxed. This pull the eye ligament tightly. Due to this, eye lens becomes stressed and become thin, so focal length increases. When eye are looking at nearby object, ciliary muscles are contracted. Due to this, eye ligament are loose, eye lens become thick, and we are able to see nearby objects, so focal length decreases. Power of the accommodation, right, student? So power of accommodation, relax ciliary muscle, so the lens is thin. Here eye lens is thin, so it has large focal length and small converging power. Object at infinity, so this is contracted ciliary muscle. The lens is thick. Here the eye lens is thick, so it has small focal length and more converging power. What is the range of accommodation reached by the normal eyes? The human eyes can see the object whose distance is between infinity and 25 centimeter from the normal eyes. What is near and far point? Farthest point where the eye can see is called far point of the eyes is infinity. Nearest point where eyes can see is called near point of the eye. It's 25 centimeter from the eyes. What is contracted? In old age, crystalline lens of the some people becomes milky and cloudy. This is called contract. It causes partial or complete loss of vision. It can be avoided with the help of the contracted surgery. Normalize eye with the contract. Okay. So here you see normal lens or this there and cloud lens like that. Okay. Now why do we have two eyes for the vision and not one? It helps us to have wider view. With the one eye, a human being can see the horizontal field view of the 150 degree. With two eyes, the human being can see the horizontal view of field view 180 degree. Explanation. Since both eyes are separated by the distance of few centimeter, both eyes see different image. Our brain is able to combine two images into one, and hence we are able to see the image with wider view. Hence we are able to detect faint or the far away object because of two eyes. Also, it helps to judge the distance accurately. Because our eyes are separated by few centimeters, each eye see the object from the different angle. So the brain sees two slightly different image. The brain combines the two image into one using the extra information to tell us how close or far eyes things are. So this is all about the answer. Thank you so much for watching, friends.